I hope you are doing well, and in this video I'm going to walk you through one of the most powerful actions you can use and how it works in a real use case. Okay, so let's talk about the strongest action of the GoHighLevel, which we can do stuff for which we normally required third-party integration, and also I will discuss it's one of the use case to understand better how it works. So we are having a quiz for a mortgage industry which qualifies and disqualifies leads which we don't want. So 50% of the lead I'd filter initially inside the quiz. Like for example, if I choose no, it happened outside the California. So the leads gets disqualified, and we also have logical conditioning here. Like for example, if we choose minor soft tissue plus minor damage, so leads also gets disqualified. So actually the 50% of the leads are filtered initially inside the quiz. And if we talk about the remaining leads, remaining lead can be our potential leads, but we have to filter them. So to filter them, there are a couple of ways to do, either via huge workflows and huge effects condition. For example, field 1 plus field 2. If these both fields are combined, so it gets disqualified. So there can be like thousands of combinations which no one wants to make, or either we can take a plan of score app or any third-party scoring like platform. So to tackle this kind of problem, we have this ChatGPT action inside the workflows. So this is actually the strongest and the most viable action which can resolve most of the problem for which we require third-party integrations. So, and it works only on prompting, plus there is a little bit of there is a little bit of logical and field mapping thing inside it. I will also share the prompt here. So, but this ChatGPT function is taking fields from like field mapping. For example, these fields are given to it, and I have prompted it in a way that you score these fields on the basis of what type of leads we got. And then after that, we take its output and store those into another field, in which, for example, I have stored it in the rating field. And here is the ChatGPT response. So you will get, okay, I will also show another, see, we can add ChatGPT response from here, GPT and ChatGPT response. So we can take input from one end and add the output on the other end. And from then, whatever we want, we can send that notification either on Slack or email. And as I said, it was stored in this rating field. So all the scoring and all the like categorizing for which we have to like struggle a lot. This is like also very useful for other cases. For example, like disqualifying leads, which are not interested. ChatGPT will read their email replies to our nurture campaigns. And like this is the best action so far, which GoHighLevel has provided. That's how you can use this action to simplify lead filtering, scoring, and automation without relying on complex workflows or third-party tools. Hope you guys find this helpful, and see you in the next video.